Tapos, walang tanong. Yes, yan pa.
Right after the following age, what if a certain side or a certain stance of supporting specific political groups or candidates in the policy and the election approach? Considering Congress stand and line is leaving, the majority leader is going by the administration.
Okay. So, at the moment, no, there was an initial meeting with candidates, senator candidates of the PDP party. And I am not a member of PDP. They've been trying to recruit me, and I've been telling them that I have to think about joining a party. Because right now, I am enjoying that I am free and I don't have to answer to a political party.